We'll guide you through how to fix a black screen on any TV. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This can be a really frustrating problem because you want to go and use your TV, watch it, you want to go and play games on it and do different things with it, and you're unable to because you're just getting a black screen. So we're going to guide you through some different options and methods you can try using to try and resolve this problem. So make sure it's this full guide and don't skip ahead. Otherwise, you may go and miss the method that goes and solves the problem for you. Of course, first of all, do just make sure that it's properly plugged in at the wall. If there's a switch, that it's switched on. Very basic, but of course, it's definitely worth just confirming that. Next, what you want to try doing is we're not going to go and use the remote. There could be a problem with the remote. Maybe it's run out of battery or it's not working. So what we want to try doing is finding the button on the TV itself. You may not know this, but often your TV, and majority of the times, there's going to be a physical button on the TV somewhere. So start running your hand underneath it, and you may go and find one. Some cases it's quite far back. Like on this TV, it's actually quite far back here. Almost my sort of hand width is back here. So try pressing that, and hopefully it'll come back on, and that indicates there's a problem with the remote, which we can try fixing by using new batteries or something like that. So hopefully pressing that button, it'll then go and turn on. If it does, great. If it doesn't, let's get into the next fix. For the next fix, go to where the TV is plugged in. And what you want to do if there's a switch is you can go and switch it off. And you can also go and unplug it as well. If there's not a switch, do unplug it. After you've done that, you need to come back to that physical button on the TV. And what we're then going to do is go and tap and hold it for 30 seconds. So let's go and start doing that now. After that time has passed, let go. Now what you can try doing is we're going to go and plug it back in and turn it on if there's a switch as well. Now what you can try doing is you can try using the remote to go and turn it on, but also you can try using the physical button just in case there is a problem with the remote. So we can go and press it, and then hopefully it will go and start turning on, as you can see. So hopefully that then goes and solves the problem for you, and you're then able to go and use the TV. Now, if you find that that works and the remote isn't working, as I said, try changing the batteries, or if it still isn't working, try using a different power plug in case there's a problem with it. But hopefully with the help of this video, you've managed to go and solve it. Leave a like if you found this useful.